So there was a text given to you. The first thing they had asked you to find the feature of the text, recognize the text. Either it is a story or a poem, an article from the newspaper. So if we look at the feature of the text, we can see that there is a date right at the top of the page. And the other thing is that it is written as the first person. So first person, who is the first person? First person pronoun is used, that is I. So the writer is talking about himself. So it is a diary, a page of the diary taken from the Ben's diary. So I had assigned you to write the answers related to that text. So I'm going to reveal the answers to you. And please, children, you have to tally the answers with the questions, with your work, okay? The first question was, the writer is called Ben. Why is he angry? So the answer is, Ben is angry because when he opened his brother's wardrobe, all the toys fell on him. Hope so that your answer is the same, as it is already clearly written in the text that mom was angry and so was I. So the reason behind was that when he opened the wardrobe's door, all the clothes and toys fell out on top of him. Now, the second question is, what is Ben like? So they are asking you about the personality or the trait of that child Ben. So it is, Ben is an organized and tidy person. As you have seen that in the text, it is written that I took 20 minutes to tidy mine. Tidy mine means tidy my room. So he said he has taken 20 minutes. So it's mean he is an organized and tidy person. Now the third question is, who is Ben's younger brother? What is he like? Max is Ben's younger brother. He is hasty and untidy. Why? We have used that adjective hasty because he has finished, he took only 5 minutes to tidy the room. And why I have selected the adjective untidy? Because he didn't place the things in the wardrobe in an organized way. Clumsily, he just dumped the things in the wardrobe. Now, fourth question is, it is about you people. Do you do chores around the house? So it is your own answer. So if anyone wants, can write in the chat box about the answer. I'll appreciate it. If you write the answer, your own answer in the chat box. And the second part of this, that fourth question is, if you have any brother and sisters, do they help you too? Have you done this work in the classwork copy, in English A copy? Okay, this work is for English A copy, right? So the other work I have assigned you was about the adjective. Adjective is a grammar part. You can do it in English B copy. Complete the sentences with an adjective from the box. So the answers you can tally. So you have to do a self check. If you have done it in the copy, please check it. I have got a test today. I'm feeling very nervous. My grandma tells people I'm very hardworking because I'm always studying. Number three sentences. My brother prefers watching the television to playing sports. He is so lazy. Number four is my younger sister is really outgoing. In fact, I think she's more friend than I have, and she's only 6. Number 5, I'm very tidy, but my friends aren't. Their bedrooms are really messy. So if you have done, shall we move on? Okay, those who have done it correctly, I appreciate. Very good. Now, our next topic is from page number 9. There are some question words given to you. Question words given to you. So usually you have seen that at the end of every lesson or every chapter, either it is English, science, computer, social study, whatever subject you are learning, there are some question exercise are given and there are some questions. So these questions are usually starts with WH word. Those WH words are what, who, where, when, which, whose, why. They are used to gather the information. So if you want to ask someone about the name of the person, which question word you will select? Good, Kiara. That is good. Very good. What is his name? If you want to get the information about the person, a person's name, you can use what is his name. Now look at the second one. Dash is he from. Now they are asking you about the place. When we have to find about the place, we use a question word, where. Where is he from? So whenever we have to find the place, get the information about the place, we use where. Next is dash are the people in his family. So again, the information is about the people. Now they are saying who are the people in his family. Good, very good, children. You are doing well. Dash has he got. Dash pets has he got. Good. Which pets has he got? Which pets? Very good, Heather. You're doing well. Not what. Sarem, it is which pets has he got? Please tell me the answers. If there is any mistake, do the correction. Then the next one is dash are his what hobbies. Now they are asking you about the hobbies. Seyoon, very good. What are his hobbies? Good. Okay, come to the next one. Dash are his best friends. Very good. Very good. You people are doing really very well. Who are his best friends? Dash do people like about him? Now there is another question word. What with you? Wow, very good. Yes, Joshua, good. What do people like about him? Okay, I appreciate your effort, children. You are doing really well. Now we can use these questions to answer the uh, uh, to answer the information about that boy Santiago. Remember, you had heard the CD and you have written a profile about Santiago. If I ask you, what is his name? What will be the answer? Who are the people in his family? His parents and a younger brother. Which pets has he got? He got a hamster and a dog. What are his hobbies? His hobbies are football and basketball. Who are his best friends? Petro and Luca. You remember? Luca, his cousin. Who do people like about him? What do people like about him? So you have to try write about the child personality. So what the information they had given us in the CD? He is cheerful and outgoing. So now come to the profile I have given to you. You can add all this information in that cool profile of Santiago, right? This is it was the homework I had given to you that day. Okay, now we are going to move to the next topic. It is an interview. This is our lesson 3 from page number 11 to 10. An interview. Now see children, whenever you interact anyone, uh, any of your father's friend, your mother's friend, or any of your neighbor, the first thing, if they don't know about you, they come with some questions to you. They want to know about you. So when they want to know about you, they put some questions to you. You must have faced those questions. What is your name? In which class you do you study? What are your hobbies? Where do you live? So all these questions. So what is an interview? I don't suppose so that you have an interview in a foreign language, because mostly we don't feel comfortable to answer in a foreign language. But we have to see what is an interview, a structured one-to-one conversation where one participant asks the question and the other provide answer. So if one of the participant is asking the question, the other one is providing the answer. You must have seen some of the interviews in on television. The celebrities mostly you have seen, maybe a politician, a player. So all these people you must have seen the interviews of those people. So it is always a structured one, a planned one. So whenever a person come for the interview, they prepare a list of questions to ask from the personality they are interviewing to gather the information about that person. Now I'm going to play an interview that is on CD number 1, track 4 for you, so that and you I want you to listen that interview carefully. It is about Ben and with his new teacher. So you have to gather what information you have to gather. This time you have to see what is the sequence of the topic. What is the topic they have selected to talk about, and you have to keep in mind the sequence of the topic also. Okay, are you ready to listen this CD?
Fine, thank you. Tell me about your family. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Tell me about your family. Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, Max, a younger brother, who is a bit of a pain. Where were you born? I'm from... Sorry, what I meant to say was I was born in a small town called Flint Town in the USA. Tell me about yourself. What are you like? Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Yes, of course. What are you like? Well, I'm quite a confident person, and I like to do things properly. Although I'm not sure if my mom would agree with my last point. I'm quite popular at school, too, I suppose. Who are your best friends? Well, my best friend is Mickey. He's really good fun. We've been friends for as long as I can remember. I think we met when we were babies. What are you good at school? I don't think I'm good at many things, to be honest. Well, Mrs. Jones would say I'm good at singing, but I don't agree with her at all. I'm good at drawing. Wrong, of course. What are your favorite things? Well, that has to be my mega collection of video games. I absolutely love playing them. Mickey and I play quite a lot together. Then there's my collection of comics. I remember when Mickey and I wrote our own comic strip, Zippy Racer.
Okay, children, you must have heard the that interview, Ben's interview with his English teacher. Now you have to come with the answer about the topic, order of the topic. There are different topics they had talked about, so you have to come with the correct order of the topics. Now they have talked about family, friends, favorite thing, town, personality, sport, and school. You have to tell the correct order correct order of these topics. I'm waiting for your answers. Write in the chat box. Good, family. Write it down somewhere, the order of the topics. We are on page number 10. Good. Keep. Topics are given on book. You have to mark them. There's a list in the box. They had given you some of the topics. You have to listen in the CD, that is family, friends, favorite things, town, personality, sports, school. So mark them with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I hope so you are ready to see the answers. Are you ready? Okay, I'm revealing the answers to you. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, the first is, number 1 is the family. Good. Check whether you have written the same. Family is the number 1. They have already marked 1 in the box. Look at page number 10. Then the second one is, very good, town. Second is town. So put number 2 in front of town. Number 3 is, very good, personality. Mark 3 in front of personality. Then number 4 is friends. Mark 4 in front of friends. Number 5 is school. Mark 5 in front of school. Now the number 6 is sport. And the last one, number 7, is favorite things. So is that the same order? Family, town, personality, friends, school, sports. Sport, and then favorite things. This is the correct order. Okay, I'm going to play the CD once again for you. You have to listen it carefully, as you have to answer some true-false statements. Okay, the slides are in front of you. You have to keep on reading and listening as well.
Hello, Ben. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Tell me about your family. Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, Max, a younger brother, who is a bit of a pain. Where were you born? I'm from... Sorry, what I meant to say was I was born in a small town called Flint Town in the USA. Tell me about yourself. What are you like? Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Yes, of course. What are you like? Well, I'm quite a confident person, and I like to do things properly, although I'm not sure if my mom would agree with my last point. I'm quite popular at school, too, I suppose. Who are your best friends? Well, my best friend is Mickey. He's really good fun. We've been friends for as long as I can remember. I think we met when we were babies. What are you good at school? I don't think I'm good at many things, to be honest. Well, Mrs. Jones would say I'm good at singing, but I don't agree with her at all. I'm good at drawing, and I'm quite good at sewing too. But don't tell anyone about that last one. Do you have a favorite sport? No, I don't excel at any sport. Once Dad thought I was going to be a great rugby player, so he made me join the local team. But he was wrong, of course. What are your favorite things? Well, that has to be my mega collection of video games. I absolutely love playing them. Mickey and I play quite a lot together. Then there's my collection of comics. I remember when Mickey and I wrote our own comic strip, Zippy Racer.
Now, okay, as you have listened the CD again, I hope so. The voice was clear to you and you have gathered the information. Now, there is some true false statements in your book at page number 10. True or false? The first statement is Ben has got an older brother called Max. Is it true or false? Write your answers. Yes, it is false. Ben has a younger brother. He was born in a small town called Plympton. Yes, it is true. Good. Children, you are doing really well. He is really outgoing. Yes, this answer is also true. Okay, now come to the next one. He's known Mickey for a long time. Yes. Yes, it is also true. He is quite good at drawing. Number 7 is his favorite things are his video games and comic. True. Is it done? Now page number 10 and the fourth question is your homework. You have to do it on book. We will come with the answers on tomorrow. Right? God bless you, children. Thank you, teacher.